last week we saw the Arizona Supreme Court uphold a law from 1864 that bans nearly all abortions. Did you ever think in your lifetime that we would see that happen? And like, it's just insane to me, the thinking that went on in 1864. Like, it's a very different world. We know a lot more now that we're going backwards.
I know. It is horrifying in every way. You know, I feared it would happen, but I hoped it wouldn't happen. And now here we are in the, the middle of this very difficult period for women in about half the states of our country who cannot get the care that they need. And the old law in Arizona is, without exceptions. And the danger to women's lives, as well as to our, right to make our own decisions about our bodies and ourselves, is so profound. And there's another element to it, which I find so troubling. I mean, there's a kind of cruelty to it. I mean, no exceptions for rape, incest. I mean, really? There's a cruelty toward women, toward women's lives, toward...
And you don't realize how hard it is.
Yeah.
The fact that you would take that away from someone that can literally kill them.
Right.
The fact if they're raped, the fact if they're by their family member and they have to, like that, it's just like insane to me. So this leads me to, there is so much voter apathy going on, and that is why things like this are happening.
I agree.
And I understand, we were talking about in the commercial break how I've always kind of been that kid in so many different circles. I have so many different random types of people in my life that have so many different ways of thinking about politics, faith, everything. And all of it's fine, but it's one of those things that I think, like a lot of these, what I'm hearing from everyone is that they're just exhausted and they feel powerless, and even if I do vote, what does it matter?
I want to vote in a way that's going to make life better for the maximum number of people and not be trying to impose your views on the rest of us. And so whatever you care about, voting is your superpower. And it may not seem like it, but it really is. And that's what we're trying to say in this musical that I'm helping to produce called Sops, about how women got the right to vote.